Now, today we are here for lesson number 2 of this AutoCAD 2026 training course, and the lesson is called Opening a Drawing. There are a couple of topics, and we will start by a topic called Creating a New Drawing from a Template. So, template is a special file that contains drawing settings and often also objects. The special feature we have with the template file is its file name extension, which is different from an AutoCAD regular file. So a template has the extension DWT, and the concept of template is to be a base for a new drawing. And this new drawing will carry a lot of things like settings, objects, whatever you want. We can have multiple templates, and the idea it is to create each template with a certain configuration for a certain purpose. Basically, it is that. Um, to create a template, so we can start by uh, making a new drawing. So every time we create or we start by a new drawing, we are redirected to the folder where the templates are saved. By default, we can start by the AutoCAD, which has almost no definitions. So we click open, and the new drawing with that base template it's created. Uh, a very important notion also, it is to understand that AutoCAD, every time it starts with a new drawing, it will do it sequentially, drawing one, drawing two, and so on. And if you remember, we started with a AutoCAD.dwt, but the system changes the template to a drawing file. So drawing one DWG to avoid ruin the base file, the template file. A couple of more interesting things it is that when we start with the new command, we have also a variable that controls if we start with imperial units or metric units. And in this particular case, we can call this variable, which is the measure in it, like this, do enter, and we see that we have values. We can have two values, 0 for imperial units and 1 for metric units. So we can change. In the case, I will leave it in 1 because it is what we want. A couple of more interesting things about templates. So when we work with templates, we can have multiple settings. We are in lesson number 2 of this training course, so most of the things we can set to start. We still haven't talked about those topics, and among those settings we have units of measurement, drafting settings, layers, line types, styles for dimensions, texts, a lot of things. Okay, the idea and the important concept it is to understand that when we start, we can have many things already done and even already drawn in our area that will avoid to repeat always the same function. Uh, there are a couple of more interesting topics we can talk about in this lesson in particular, but I think we can and should talk also about how to open a drawing. It's a very basic thing, but I think it has a couple of interesting topics. So open, we can do it in the quick access toolbar in this icon. When we open Okay, he redirect to this folder, but as you may imagine, we can browse anything in your machine, in your PC or server, or whatever you are working. And we can uh, open several things. For example, we can choose different files. In this particular case, I have two files. Um, we can view and we can filter by a lot of things. Okay, we have tools to find out. And we can also, which is very important, to choose from different file formats we can have in our, or that we can assume in our software. This basic one, drawing the WG, it's the standard format. We mentioned it already, but we can also open this DWS. Okay, less important, but very important. This DXF file, which is a format widely used to exchange information between 2D CAD systems, and not only, but this idea is very important. And also we can select that DWT, which is the template. The concept is not to open the template by the open command. This should be um, start method and not opening a file directly, but we also have the opportunity to open it like this. So we choose our file, and to open it, we do the open command, and we get the entities that are inside, the drawing that is inside.